Today we're showing off the Holmes 18-inch fan, Little Blizzard, Oscillating Table Fan Black, and yeah. There goes. So this is I'm not sure what speed or which, but yeah. And this and off. Yep, guys, that's it. Bye, y'all.